basically, there are two types of protection, I would say. It's a mechanical and like chemical. So mechanical is first you clean the space the bags are stored. Then you use the protective netting you could see in the presentation and cover as much of the bag as possible. And the chemical ones, there were questions, I think, and we mentioned in the presentations, there are new bags that are being tested that have additives from the rodents and birds. I mean, they try it and they don't like it, and then they leave the bag alone. But the easiest way, of course, is to stop the birds and rats coming to the bag, so keeping the place clean.